Good day guys, for this video that I'm gonna show you to you is how to construct a double digit 7 segment up and down counter using a only an Arduino tack switch and two 7 segments LED display. Showing to you how to set up in the breadboard. The components needed is wires, two 7 segment display, two 447 and two push button resistor and a Arduino. And the code, this constantly find the digital output pins on the Arduino that connect to the BCD inputs and 7 segment display. These 10 display in one place each have 4 pins A, B, C, D to represent a 4-bit code. Two buttons are used. Button increment pin 10 increase the count. Button decrement pin 11 decrease the count. Count store the currents from 0 to 99. Set all BCD output pins. Configure the buttons as input with pull up resistor. Input pull up keeps the high when not pressed. Calls update displays count to initialize the display of 20. Continuous check for button presses. If the increment button is pressed, it increase the count, and if the decrement button is pressed, it decrease the count. Wrap around logic. If the increase of 99, it resets to 0. If count goes below 0, it resets to 99. Use a delay 200 to debounce the button to avoid multiple counts from single press. Exact, exact digit. Tens value of 10 gets the 10 place. Ones value of 10 gets the ones place. Convert its digit to BCD. Then check the code. Then if it's okay, upload in to the Arduino. And the final output of my design guys is look at the 7 segments display. It's round up. uh, Look at it. I put it count counting backwards. And that's all. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.